Everything you guys see on my channel, everything you guys see me doing, find information to back it up. Don't just take what I do on YouTube. Don't take what anyone else does on social media, period, and run with it. You know what I'm saying? You want to do your homework. Bro, who put a chicken leg on my deck, bro? Why they did that to me, bro? When you hit that. Still here in my reset. I'm getting ready to change out a tail light. The light that actually goes with my license plate, man. I noticed it was out the other night. Yeah, I got some stuff from Walmart. Here go my light. Some connectors. Tape, which I probably won't need. Alright, y'all, so here go what I'm about to use, man. I picked up my new light. It's a LED. I changed it out once before, but I guess there's some frayed wiring down there that must have got exposed and caused the light to blow out. So this is what we about to do, man, and we about to get to it. Alright, y'all, here go the problem, man. I changed out this light once before, like I said, and I believe this is the problem, man. I don't know if y'all can see that it kind of frayed there. Right there and right there. So we about to change that out, man, and get this light back up and running. Just like that, we back, bruh. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, next I'm doing hubs, I'm doing bearings, I'm doing everything. Man, I'm playing around, bro. But we back on the light, bro. We good, man. Oh, what's good, y'all? Top of the morning, man. Just got here to drop off this load. Y'all know what it is, man. We about to untarp and get unloaded. Let's get it. So just like that, we are unloaded. Thanks to my man for helping me with that tarp. I like when they come out and help, man. I got two things to do, man. I gotta try to get an annual inspection, and I gotta get a crankcase filter. I've been calling the dealership. They're like $190. I'm trying to, you know, not pay that. You know, on Amazon it's like 80 bucks, but I may just have to, because where I'm at, I can't get anything really shipped out to me because of course I'm on the road. But that's what we're gonna do right now while we get a load. So we're gonna see how that works out, y'all. Hey, what's going on, you guys? We're in the Walmart parking lot, man. I'm pretty much waiting to get booked. I got a little bit of downtime, so I think I'm gonna attempt to change out this crankcase filter. It is overdue. That's what I'm about to do, man. Just a couple of bolts. I watched a video on it, so like I said, it looks fairly easy to do, so I'm gonna make the attempt. It's just a couple of bolts up top here to take off, pull it out, and put the new one in. The first part is done. Took this little cap off, and the next is just gonna be this piece right here, and the filter should be right under that. Alright, y'all, so we got the old one out, man. This is what it looks like. I got about 75,000 miles on it. Probably should have done it sooner, but I totally forgot. I think it's right around 65, 70. The Perform service just came on not too long ago, so this is the new one. So what I did was, this piece right here comes out first. Pull out the dipstick for the oil, and then there's about maybe 8 to 10 8mm screws to pull off the top piece, and of course you got to remove the oil cap. So I'm about to slap the new one in there, call it a day. For some of you guys that may want to know, I just reset the perform service message. All I did was I put the ignition on run, press the brake pedal twice slowly, so you pump it all the way down, do the same thing twice on the gas pedal. For me, I didn't go back on the off position. I pretty much just started the truck right off of the run position with my brake on the pedal. So, and that for me got rid of the message. Crankcase filter done. Yo, man, not a good day, bro. Not a good day for me, man. So after I changed out my crankcase filter, well, all morning we've been trying to get a load, man. And right now I'm at a pilot and we've yet to get a load. It is 3:30. Might as well call it a day. We're gonna see what we can get tomorrow, man, out of Minnesota. This isn't usually typical for Minnesota, man, but I hear a lot of people telling me their loads been getting canceled. I hear a lot of people. Oh, this is my dispatcher right here. Hold on. All right, y'all. So yeah, like I was saying, man, we didn't get nothing today, but dispatcher just told me we got a load booked out tomorrow going to where's that thing going? Going to St. Louis. So probably be dropping this off tomorrow. It's 500 and something miles, and then hopefully we can get something decent coming out of St. Louis. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Buenos dias, people. Good morning. So I'm out here still in Minnesota. Came down to Fairmont to pick up a load. Just arrived. Man, it was like 48 degrees this morning, bro. Like, what the hell happened out here? But yeah, I'm picking up 2 tanks, man. Guy went in to go get my paperwork. I should be loading soon and getting on the road. We're taking this down to St. Louis, Missouri. It's about maybe 520 miles or something like that. So we're gonna wait for him to come back out and then we'll get loaded. Alright guys, we're loaded and secured, man. Used all 8 of our straps, 4 on each. That worked out perfectly. We are ready to roll. Hey, top of the morning, you guys. What's going on, man? So, man, I made it to St. Louis last night. It's top of the morning right now. I came by my boy B's crib, said I can pull up, stay here for the night. Just finishing up my pre-trip, man, and getting ready to roll out. I got about 20 minutes to get to this drop. Getting rid of these tanks. Hey, Brandon, what up, bro? I appreciate you once again, man.
Oh, it's all love, man.
He about to get into the game. He got the truck out there. About to go pick up that 40-foot in a little bit.
Yes, sir.
About to get out there.
Yes, sir.
For real. About to jump in this truck, man, and we had a little situation though. She getting ready to leave, so I'm good. It was a little tight backing in here last night. He's like, hey man, I got a long driveway, bro. Pull up. We had to get up in here. They got the mean thing right there, man. That shit beautiful. But yeah, so it was a little tight getting in here, man. But yep, we about to hit the road. Alright y'all, so we dropped off that load earlier, man. Didn't really pull out the camera there, but we're here about to pick up some pipes that's going from here in Missouri over to Omaha, Nebraska. Looks like I gotta wait because they're unloading right now. Here's our load. Just got everything secured. Getting ready to throw the tarp on it. And then we're gonna make our way to Omaha. Bundle of pipe weighing about 5,000 pounds. All right, man, let's get to this tarping. Omaha, Nebraska, y'all. Be at that drop in the morning. Guess they're separated. What's up, y'all? So we're in Omaha, Nebraska, man, just dropping off these pipes, and then we're gonna get out of here and grab another load. That's what we're doing, man. Top of the morning, y'all. What's going on, guys? Finish up my breakfast here before chop it up with y'all for a second. All right, man, what's going on, you guys? Currently here at the Loves, man, just sitting and waiting. We got a load that we can grab, but we're holding off for a second, man. And that's kind of the reason why I wanted to talk to you guys. You know, I see the topic's been kind of going around. And the reason I'm talking about this with you guys, because a lot of you guys that follow me, I believe you guys follow me because I just got started. And a lot of you guys are trying to get into the industry, whether you're getting leased on or whether you have your own authority, whatever the case is. But the whole point, I'm sitting down with y'all real quick before I get moving. Man, this past couple weeks has been a little bit rough, you know, as far as staying, you know, moving, at least moving, you know, with decent rates. Rates haven't been looking so good out here, man. And I'm speaking on behalf of just non-CDL because that's what I am and that's what I do. And I see a lot of stuff going around where people are just taking a lot of cheap freight. I know this is a topic that, you know, a lot of other channels have spoken about as far as, you know, stop taking cheap rates. For me, I haven't seen it as much as I'm seeing it right now. And loads have been scarce, man, especially non-CDL. You know, as soon as they post up, they're gone. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. You know, you gotta be on your P's and Q's when it comes to, you know, getting loads. Now, is the market being saturated? I don't know. A lot of people are looking for information on how to get in, and a lot of times they're looking for free information, or they take whatever they can off of, you know, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is, and not really doing their homework, doing their due diligence. You guys, I just want to say, everything you guys see on my channel, everything you guys see me doing, find information to back it up. Don't just take what I do on YouTube. Don't take what anyone else does on social media, period, and run with it. You know what I'm saying? You want to do your homework just overall for your operation, to protect yourself, to protect your company, to protect your authority. Always do your homework. FMCSA website. Just do your research. You know what I'm saying? So these loads, though, man, they've been really scarce. I saw a post saying, you know, and out of Houston it's been rough. That's kind of why I ended up sitting in Houston for a while, because everything just wasn't looking good. I saw a post saying $1.46 for a 7,000 pound load on 1,000 miles, paying $1.46, and the broker would not budge. The broker actually stated they're not budging, and, you know, if the guy doesn't take it, someone else will come and take it. And that's what's been happening. A lot of loads are being canceled on carriers because someone else is coming in and underbidding or undercutting them and just taking that, you know, cheaper rate. And what they're not realizing is that they're doing themselves harm at the end of the day, because maybe you're not aware of what it takes for you to you know, operate and move your truck. So $1.46 a mile, 7,000 pound, and that's a full truckload. That's not even a partial. You know what I'm saying? So that just doesn't make any sense. I just wanted to put that out there, man. If we all can just come together somehow, everyone that's watching me, for everyone that's trying to get into the industry, get into Hotshot, non-CDL, do your homework, man. And when you get out here, that's the next thing. Like, if you're blowing all your money on investing into this, industry and not having any money, reserved, don't get in yet, man. You got to have some reserve, because that's going to make you take these cheap freight and these cheap rates, because you feel like, man, I got this insurance bill coming up, I got this truck note coming up, and it's hurting everyone else out here that's been running and trying to stay afloat. You know what I'm saying? So let's all do our part and not take the cheap freight. If you see it, just let it sit. You know what I'm saying? Brokers want this freight moved, so they're going to pay what needs to be paid, for us to do the work. If guys are coming in and grabbing the cheaper freight, they're going to jump on that as well, because that's more money in their pocket. But like I said, man, I just want to touch on that, man. I might end this video right here. I'm empty right now. We got another load to possibly pick up, like I said, but I don't want to stretch the video out too long. Let's all work on getting these rates back up. I know winter is coming, tarp season is here, so get your tarps out. Make sure you have the proper tarps necessary, and get to work, man. And again, you guys coming in, make sure that you guys have the cushion, make sure you guys have the knowledge, you've done the homework, so that when you do get out here, you're not just grabbing anything. So keep that in mind, you guys. I appreciate you guys always, for the continuous support. We just hit 20K on the channel. That's mind-blowing to me. I had no idea I'd be here in such a short time. Again, I appreciate you guys. If I don't continue this vlog, man, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Like this video. Follow me on Instagram at Hotshot_Macc. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.